Hello everyone. I'm walking down Wat Bo Avenue, I think it's Avenue, and Wat Bo is the local temple, but it's a famous temple, or one of the nice ones that everybody likes to go to, so they named the street Wat Bo, I guess. And today we're just going to walk through and make noise. No, have a walkie talkie. I've been asked to do that again, just walking around and showing you the area. So I want to do that. I'm going to flip this camera around, and so you can see what the heck's going on instead of my ugly mug. But well, here we go. Let me see if I can figure it out. There we go. Now up about 2 years ago, they had what they call I don't know, it's like a 36 road initiative or something. It turned out to be like a whole bunch more than that. And they put in new roads, or not new ones, but they fixed the old ones, and they also fixed the sidewalk. So this is a brand new sidewalk here. Prior to this, it was messed up. Hardly any sidewalk at all. A lot of these shops and stuff encroached upon the street, you'll see it in a lot of places that there's still scars. They like basically, government said, okay, anything past this line you got to remove, and people had awnings. They had restaurants that kind of built out over the years, a little bit more, and but then all of a sudden the government says that's fine, but you know what, when we want this property back, you got to do it. So going down the streets, you can almost see a straight line now, and there's a lot of destruction, I guess, that you can still see from where people had to remove awnings, remove structures. I've even seen videos where they had to remove balconies and even parts of buildings, so the like the living rooms were exposed. But yeah, it is what it is. They knew that eventually the government would say, okay, no, we're gonna do this. So that's what we got going on there, with some brand new, really nice, welcomed sidewalks. But one thing I will tell you is that what had happened on a lot of these streets when they made the sidewalks and the street and whatever, a lot of trees were sacrificed. So there's really not much as far as shade sometimes, which is unfortunate, but well, that's the way it happens. Okay, here we're going to get off the main street. That's just too new looking, and see we still got a lot of construction and all that, and we'll head on over towards Wat Bo. Oh, this street was done also. Yeah, because we're heading over to Wat Bo. But I'm not going to go in the temple today. I got the wrong kind of shoes on. I got my lace-up tennis shoes, high toppers. My feet been hurting. Plus, I washed my slip-ons the other day, and they're still wet. I need a new pair of shoes is what I need. And it's just real difficult when you're going to the temple, because a lot of places you have to take your shoes off and put them back on. And if you got lace-ups, and I can get around it, but still a pain in the butt. A lot of construction here. And okay, well, what do you want to talk about? I know what I'll talk about. What I've been doing since I've been here, I guess. I came into I left Thailand. So I was torn between, well, should I stay there for another Songkran? I've done about 5 Songkrans there before. Or should I come over to Cambodia and do a Khmer New Year? And Thailand said, okay, yep, we're going to have Songkran this year, but no water splashing, no squirt guns, no fun. And I'm like, that ain't no fun. So came over here on the 10th of April, and went to Phnom Penh, flew into Phnom Penh, and I was going to only stay overnight, but what had happened is so many people were traveling, I couldn't get the bus out. I had to take a van the next day. So I get into Siem Reap here, day before the festivities unofficially began. Here's Wat Bo. I'll show you Wat Bo later on in another video. But I gotta go find an apartment with a pool so I can stay cool, fool. But so I finally get in here, and then I go, okay, well, I got to get some video going on. I've been 2 days in Phnom Penh. I got some video. I'll put a short video for that together too. I'm way behind in my editing because as soon as I got here, I was filming, and so now I've actually got a lot of content I need to edit and get some more out. Just put one out this morning. Well, by the time you get this, it won't be morning anyways, or it won't be today. Okay, but yeah, so for the next 3.5, 4 days, I was walking around and getting video and just enjoying myself, having a great time, having a lot of fun. And but anyways, when I got in, something happened. When I got into Siem Reap here, I went to my hotel. I had reserved it off of Agoda, and I go there and nobody was there. It was chained, the doors were chained shut, and I went like, oh, what the hell? Finally someone came out, and I said, yeah, I got reservations here. So I said, oh, so sorry. So they let me in, and they said, did you already pay? And I'm going, yeah, I paid through Agoda. And then the older lady started saying something. I don't know what she was saying because I couldn't understand, but I said, well, like, I got this, you know, backpack with 18 kilos in it, and that's weight, by the way. And so I went upstairs and put everything away, came back down. They said they just bought the place, they just opened it. They bought it, the lady that used to have it apparently never canceled Agoda, so I don't know, it was crazy. I was still trying to get my money back on that, so I had to pay twice, and I couldn't extend it further because there was so many people here for the festivities, seeing their folks and stuff and their families, and that's what they do. And so I found a homestay about 4 or 5 kilometers out of the city, and stayed with the guy and his wife and 2 children. It was a very enjoyable time, and really friendly people. And I got some video of the neighborhood, walking around and stuff, so I'll put that together too. And then I finally moved into my apartment here. It's only till the end of the month. I wanted someplace to, you know, regroup, and then I'd have time to find an apartment. DJI Pocket 2. That's one of the cameras I use. Another camera I use is my phone, camera on the phone, and it is awesome. It is very good. It's on a Google Pixel 4. Oh wow, that's a lot of freaking work. Look at all those bricks, or those stones. But they're building apartments or a hotel or something. Probably hotel, I bet you. I don't know. But yeah, these girls got some heavy work to do, and boys. I think that is a university. Yeah, that's right. You're going to hear it. That's the fuck you university. I'm so sorry. Hey, here's a good example of some of the scars left over from the road initiative. That yeah, those rooms that were probably there that came out a little bit further, and yeah, it was unfortunate, but like, government says, yeah, you can encroach on that, but as soon as we need it, get out of here. So there's another spot right there. But hey, I got a survival tip for Southeast Asia. It doesn't matter what country you're in, but like when the weather is just horrible and it's hotter than the neighbor's butt, and it's that could be the guy neighbor or the girl neighbor, okay? So don't kill me in the comments, just kill me with love. But anyways, you know, you stop off at a mom and pop or wherever and get a bottle of water, and like you just want to tilt it down and swallow it all. Don't do that. Don't do that. You can drink half of it only, half of it fast or slow, and then save the other half, because when you're walking and it's gonna be a long day or whatever, it's much better to have a half twice than have a whole once. And that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Well, this kind of isn't the one yet. Maybe it's up another street, but not enough shade for me. But this either is a driveway or it's an alley, I don't know. But we'll find out when we get to the end now, won't we? Boy, I smell somebody's burning some incense. It smells really good. Well, we come to some apartments up over there. They look pretty nice. But I didn't see a pool on those. Yeah, that's a good trick to do. I thought, you know, the one with the Google. Nope, I think this is a dead end, but you never know. But yeah, no, like if you're looking for a place with a pool, look it up on Google, and you can generally see if there's a pool or not. And we'll walk a little bit quiet here around some people's house, and a big old field there. This was not much more than a footpath. Whew. Okay, here's one for you. Why do these completed buildings leave the rebar up? Okay, anybody have any idea? Leave me a comment below. No, okay, I'll tell you. Okay, my buddy Dave from Dave Does Cambodia, he told me that they do that because as long as they can say that it's still under construction, their taxes are lower. And you'll see rebar on a lot of freaking buildings around here. So remember, that's Dave Does Cambodia, so if that's a bunch of bogus stuff, don't get on me. Go to his channel and get on him. Well, this is getting kind of long, so I want to cut it quits here. I want to make this short too, because I know nobody really watches when they say, well, this is about it. They click off right away. But if you're still here, you're one of my #1 fans. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. And y'all have a great day.